Welcome back to CodeCraft by MAK. In the last video we installed Python and wrote our very first program, Hello World. Now let's explore the building blocks of Python programming, variables, data types and writing simple programs. Every programming language has some core basics, and in Python two of the most important are variables and data types. A variable is like a box that stores information. In Python you don't need to declare a type, just assign a value. For example, name is equal to MAK, age is equal to 21. Here name stores text and age stores a number. Python supports many data types, but here are the most common. String, str, hello, it is a text format. Integer, 25 whole numbers. Float, 3.14 is a decimal number. Boolean is true or false. Python automatically detects the type for you. Let's combine variables and data types in a simple program. For example, name is equal to MAK, age is equal to 21. When you write the print command, print my name is name and I am age 20 years old. When you run this program, Python outputs my name is MAK and I am 21 years old. We can also take input from the user. For example, name is equal to input is a function where you take the input from the user, enter your name, print hello name. If I type MAK, Python will say hello MAK. Great job. You have learned about variables, data types and how to use them in simple programs. In the next video, we will dive into operators in Python, how to do math, comparisons and logical operations. If you are enjoying this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Python lessons here at CodeCraft by MAK. Thank you.